Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video about the breakfast made of puff pastry. Today I will show you another way to fold the dough. Before we start, subscribe to my channel, switch on the notifications and don't miss new easy recipes. Cut the dough into 8 big rectangles. Now make 4 cuts on left and right side of each rectangle. By the way, the link to the first part of this video will be in the description. You can use any filling that you like. Place it in the middle of each rectangle. Now start folding the puff pastry using the parts of it from the left and the right side. If you need more ideas about baking and cake decorating, follow my pages on Facebook and Instagram, the links are below the video. Now cover all of them with egg yolk. Bake them according to the instruction on the package of the puff pastry. Enjoy your breakfast and see you in the next video.